Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Stranger Things Blu-ray is probably one of the most anticipated home video releases of the year, and for good reason. This season of Stranger Things has captivated audiences worldwide with its thrilling storyline, stunning visuals, and unforgettable characters. But is the Blu-ray release worth the hype? Join me as we dive deep into the world of Hawkins, Indiana, and explore everything this Blu-ray has to offer. Number 5. A Stranger in the House, a novel. This novel will keep you on the edge of your seat. It's a thrilling story that will have you guessing until the very end. The story is full of twists and turns. You'll be drawn into the world of the characters and their hidden lives. The story explores the complexities of relationships. It delves into the dark secrets that can destroy even the strongest bonds. Someone is hiding something. The suspense builds as the characters navigate a web of deceit. Can you piece together the puzzle before it's too late? This book will keep you guessing until the very last page. What we like. This novel offers a deep dive into the world of Stranger Things, expanding on the characters and mysteries. It's a great way to experience the story in a new format. If you enjoy getting lost in detailed narratives and exploring the Stranger Things universe further, you should consider this. What people say. With a gripping narrative and masterful storytelling, this book expertly weaves together mystery, suspense, and psychological drama, leaving readers on the edge of their seats throughout. The author skillfully employs red herrings and revelations that had me reevaluating my theories with every new chapter. The book had a number of different perspectives, including Karen's, Tom's, their neighbor Bridget's, and Detective Rasbach. Number 4. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. This is a LEGO brick-built version of the famous Central Perk Cafe. It's packed with authentic details to inspire hilarious memories of the classic Friends TV show. You can show it off to your own friends. The set includes Ross Geller, Rachel Green, Chandler Bing, Monica Geller, Joey Tribbiani, Phoebe Buffay and Gunther minifigures. They come with cool accessories to roleplay memorable scenes. This collectible 1070-piece LEGO toy makes a great Friends memorabilia gift for fans. It offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16+ who love to build solo or share the fun. This LEGO Ideas Central Perk 21319 set is compatible with the LEGO construction toys, bricks and characters you already own. You can create your own mashup models and unique stories. This colorful Friends TV show gift item measures over 4 inch high, 11 wide and 8 deep. It will make a big impression when displayed in any room or office. What we like. This LEGO set lets you recreate the iconic Central Perk Cafe from Friends. It includes detailed minifigures and accessories, perfect for displaying or playing with. If you are a fan of Friends and enjoy building and collecting, you should consider this. What people say. The attention to detail is incredible, from the orange couch to the stage lights, everything screams Central Perk. The minifigs are spot on, Joey even has his man bag, and building the set was both relaxing and nostalgic. With 1070 pieces, this set is packed with intricate details and fun references that perfectly capture the charm of the Central Perk Cafe. Number 3. MAYHEM. This is MAYHEM. It is a powerful tool. It can help you to do many things. The design of it is very cool. You will love it. It is easy to use. You can get started quickly. It is a great choice for you. It will make your life easier. Get it now. You will not regret it. What we like. MAYHEM delivers a thrilling experience with its intense action and suspenseful plot. It's a great choice for those who enjoy fast-paced stories. If you're looking for an adrenaline rush and a gripping narrative, you should consider this. What people say. The Blu-ray has excellent picture and audio quality, so if you have an HD TV, Blu-ray is the way to go. Director Joe Lynch and his crew have fashioned a very slick piece of entertainment on the cheap in Serbia. The gore and special makeup effects are amazing. Number 2. Jurassic Park Mosquito in Amber Resin Replica. It's sort of like Dino DNA. This replica pays homage to the discovery that made Jurassic Park possible, Now, you can have a piece of movie history. This is more than just a paperweight, it's a conversation starter. You can use it as a shelf decoration or add it to your Dino collection. There are many ways to incorporate it into your home. Standing at 3 inches tall, this resin replica brings movie magic to life. The translucent blend makes it look like the real thing. Show off your dinosaur passion with this durable replica. You and your friends will love this piece. It's a marvelous Jurassic Park item for your home or office. It's a great way to show your love for the movie. This fossilized amber Mosquito replica is officially licensed. From John Hammond's walking cane to your fireplace, it's ready for its new home. Get yours today. What we like. This Jurassic Park replica is a unique collectible, perfect for fans of the film. Made from durable resin, it's a great display piece. If you are a fan of Jurassic Park and want a unique piece of memorabilia, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect egg shape, and nice flat spot on the bottom so it stays on a shelf good. The amber coloring is accurate and rich, fortunately. The replica is well detailed, the details in this replica is exceptional. The Mosquito seems to be suspended in transparent amber resin, just like in the movie. Number 1. Stranger Things, music from the Netflix original series. This album takes you back to the heart of the 80s. It features all the original music from the series, perfect for any fan. The music perfectly captures the suspense and mystery of the show. It's filled with synth-heavy tracks that create a truly unique listening experience. The soundtrack includes both original scores and popular songs from the era. It's a great mix that will keep you engaged from start to finish. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the series, this album is a must-have. It's a great way to enjoy the show's music anytime, anywhere. Let the music transport you to Hawkins, Indiana. This album is more than just a collection of songs, it's an experience. What we like. This album features the music from the Netflix series, capturing the atmosphere of the show. It's perfect for reliving your favorite moments. If you love the music of Stranger Things and want to immerse yourself in the show's world, you should consider this. What people say. This had some great classics on it plus still felt like the Stranger Things vibes. Perfect quality and sounds great. It's season 1 and 2 music. It also comes with a sticker and small poster. The vinyl isn't colored but it doesn't bother me that it isn't. Great songs and it has some inserts of the show on the album. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.